Food is essential for life. It is not just about satisfying hunger, it is about nourishing our bodies and minds. Every bite we take has the potential to fuel our daily activities, support our bodily functions, and even influence our mood and energy levels. It provides us with the energy we need to power our bodies and the nutrients we need to grow and thrive. Whether we are running a marathon, playing with our kids, or simply going about our daily routines, the food we consume plays a pivotal role in our performance and well-being. Macronutrients are the building blocks of a healthy diet. They are the primary sources of energy and are essential for the growth, repair, and maintenance of our tissues. Without them, our bodies would not be able to function optimally. They are the nutrients our bodies need in large amounts to function properly. Unlike micronutrients, which are needed in smaller quantities, macronutrients must be consumed in larger amounts to meet our energy and physiological needs. There are three main macronutrients. Protein, which is crucial for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting immune function. Carbohydrates, which are the body's primary source of energy. They fuel our brain, muscles, and other vital organs, helping us stay active and alert throughout the day. And fats, which are essential for absorbing fat-soluble vitamins, protecting our organs, and providing a concentrated source of energy. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, are vital for maintaining cell structure and function. Each macronutrient plays a vital role in our health and well-being. Understanding the role of macronutrients is crucial for making informed food choices. By knowing what each macronutrient does, we can better plan our meals to ensure we are getting the right balance of nutrients. By choosing a balanced diet that includes adequate amounts of each macronutrient, we can support our overall health and vitality. A well-balanced diet not only helps in maintaining a healthy weight but also reduces the risk of chronic diseases, improves mental health, and enhances our quality of life. So, next time you sit down for a meal, remember the power of macronutrients and make choices that nourish your body and mind. Protein is often called the building block of life. It plays a crucial role in almost every biological process in our bodies. From the moment we are born, protein is essential for our growth and development. It is essential for the growth and repair of tissues, including muscles, bones, skin, and hair. Without adequate protein, our bodies would struggle to heal wounds, maintain muscle mass, and keep our skin and hair healthy. Every cell in our body contains protein. These proteins are involved in various functions, such as transporting molecules, providing structural support, and facilitating chemical reactions. Protein is made up of smaller units called amino acids. There are 20 different amino acids that combine in various ways to create the proteins our bodies need. Our bodies can produce some amino acids, but others, known as essential amino acids, must be obtained through our diet. These essential amino acids are crucial for maintaining our overall health and well-being. Good sources of protein include lean meats, which provide high-quality protein that is easily absorbed by our bodies. Poultry, which is not only rich in protein but also contains essential vitamins and minerals. Fish, which offers the added benefit of omega-3 fatty acids, and beans, which are a great plant-based protein source. Lentils, which are high in fiber and protein. Tofu, a versatile protein source for vegetarians and vegans. Nuts and seeds, which provide healthy fats along with protein. Protein is particularly important for athletes and active individuals. It supports muscle recovery and growth, helping to enhance performance and reduce the risk of injury. It helps to build and repair muscle tissue after exercise. Consuming protein after a workout can aid in faster recovery, allowing athletes to train harder and more frequently. Carbohydrates are our body's primary source of energy. They play a crucial role in fueling our daily activities, from the simplest tasks to the most strenuous workouts. When we consume carbohydrates, they are broken down into glucose, a simple sugar that our cells use for fuel. This glucose is then transported through the bloodstream to be used by our muscles and organs. Carbohydrates can be categorized into two main types, simple and complex. This classification is based on their chemical structure and how quickly they are digested and absorbed by the body. Simple carbohydrates, such as sugar and refined grains, are quickly absorbed into the bloodstream. They provide a rapid burst of energy which can be useful in certain situations, like during intense physical activity or when you need a quick pick-me-up. On the other hand, complex carbohydrates such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are digested more slowly. This slower digestion process results in a more sustained release of energy, helping to keep you energized throughout the day. Choosing complex carbohydrates over simple carbohydrates is generally a healthier option. Not only do they provide longer-lasting energy, but they also come with additional nutrients that are beneficial for overall health. Complex carbohydrates are higher in fiber, which is essential for digestive health. Fiber helps to regulate the digestive system, prevent constipation, and can even aid in weight management by promoting a feeling of fullness. By incorporating a variety of complex carbohydrates into your diet, you can ensure that your body has a steady supply of energy to fuel your every move. So next time you're planning your meals, remember to choose whole grains, fruits, and vegetables for a healthier, more energized you. Fats have often been demonized, but they are an essential part of a healthy diet. Fats provide energy, insulate our organs, and help our bodies absorb certain vitamins. They are also important for hormone production and cell function. Not all fats are created equal. Unsaturated fats found in olive oil, avocados, nuts, and fatty fish are considered heart-healthy. Saturated and trans fats found in red meat, butter, and processed foods should be limited. Section 5. Striking a balance. The key to optimal health. The key to a healthy diet is to consume a balanced intake of all three macronutrients. The specific ratio of macronutrients that is right for you will depend on your individual needs and goals. Factors such as age, gender, activity level, and overall health can all influence your macronutrient requirements. A registered dietitian can help you determine the optimal macronutrient distribution for your unique circumstances. They can create a personalized meal plan that meets your specific needs. Section 6. Macronutrients and fitness, powering your workouts. Macronutrients play a crucial role in fitness. They provide the energy you need to fuel your workouts and the nutrients you need to recover and rebuild. The ideal macronutrient ratio for athletes and active individuals may differ from that of sedentary individuals. Athletes and those engaging in regular intense exercise often require a higher intake of protein to support muscle growth and repair. Carbohydrates are also essential for providing energy during workouts. Section 7. Protein for muscle growth and repair. Protein is essential for muscle growth and repair. When you exercise, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers. Protein helps to repair these tears and rebuild muscle tissue. This process leads to increased muscle mass and strength. Consuming protein after a workout can help to optimize muscle protein synthesis. Section 8. Carbohydrates for energy and endurance. Carbohydrates are the primary fuel source for our muscles during exercise. They are broken down into glucose, which our muscles use for energy. Without adequate carbohydrate intake, our bodies may start to break down muscle tissue for fuel, which can hinder athletic performance. Consuming carbohydrates before and after workouts can help to replenish glycogen stores, which are our muscles' stored form of glucose. Section 9. Healthy fats for hormone production and nutrient absorption. While carbohydrates and protein are essential for athletes, healthy fats also play a vital role. Fats are essential for hormone production, including testosterone, which is essential for muscle growth. They also help our bodies absorb certain vitamins such as vitamins A, D, E, and K. These vitamins are important for overall health and athletic performance. Incorporating healthy fats into your diet can support hormone balance and nutrient absorption. Section 10. Making informed choices. Reading food labels. Understanding food labels is essential for making informed choices about your macronutrient intake. Food labels provide valuable information about the nutritional content of packaged foods. They list the serving size, calories, and the amount of each macronutrient per serving. Paying attention to the serving size is crucial. Eating more than the recommended serving size will increase your calorie and macronutrient intake. Section 11. Conclusion. Embracing a balanced approach to nutrition. Macronutrients are the building blocks of a healthy diet. Protein, carbohydrates, and fats each play a vital role in our health and well-being. Understanding the role of macronutrients empowers us to make informed food choices that support our overall health and fitness goals. By consuming a balanced diet that includes adequate amounts of each macronutrient, we can fuel our bodies, support our workouts, and achieve optimal health. Remember, Food is not the enemy, it's our ally in living a healthy and fulfilling life.